Pennant Thonglor restaurant by PAD Space Artisan in KHET WATTHANA, Thailand. Escape the bustle of city life for a moment and come aboard for a sublime dining experience. Pennant, the new restaurant in Thonglor, is founded by a group of F&B industry entrepreneurs who have gained international experience to develop the first flagship store for the Thonglor culinary scene, creating experiences customers won't soon forget. Concept design. The location of the existing building, which locates at the beginning of Thonglor Road facing the main Sukhumvit Road, is where our inspiration for the curves came from, as it resembles the sail that is blown by the wind. This enlightened the creation of the translucent curves that bring dynamic and welcome patrons from Sukhumvit Road. The first floor facade is designed to contrast the second floor with pad to elevate the scene to resemble the entryway of a cruise. Varnished wood that is commonly fitted on luxury yachts is used to lead patrons to the main entrance. The pad is made with wooden finished aluminum cladding for outdoor use, practicality, and cost control. Once the customers step foot in the vicinity, it is as if the journey of a luxury cruise ship sailing through the night sky is being told. Upon entering, customers are swept on a voyage that takes them from a bustling city to the calm body of water under the night sky, through the fog, light sea breeze, and ocean waves. The first floor holds the new experience all-day cafe and bar where customers can enjoy coffee or cocktails throughout the day, while indulging in a night atmosphere. The use of dark-toned fittings and dark walnut along the arch profile creates the sensation of being on a luxury cruise ship. The copper origami boat gleams through layers of hanging clouds as the main feature at the counter bar. A little twist on this floor is a hidden lab room that is designed to probe a secret under the ship lab where the distilling and tasting happen. The moon staircase, a curved staircase leading to the lab room, the mezzanine, and the DJ booth, is yet another spot visitors will find hard to resist for a photo opportunity. The second floor holds a fine dining area which will be launched very soon, and the third and fourth will be constructed next year.